Hi, if you arrived in this video, it is because you want to know more about the Fluxactive. Then I have some very important notices, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. Before that, let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is William Smith, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Fluxactive Complete before you actually buy the product. I also have two really important warnings, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Fluxactive Complete is beware of the website where you are going to buy Fluxactive Complete, because Fluxactive Complete is only sold on the official website. To help you, I have left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So, what is Fluxactive Complete, and does it really work? And the answer is yes, Fluxactive Complete does work, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that Fluxactive Complete is a 100% natural supplement that supports long-lasting prostate health, including optimal flow support. Fluxactive Complete contains a proprietary formula consisting of a group of 14 essential prostate and bladder antioxidants, minerals, vitamins. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Fluxactive Complete, and you can also have results. However, you have to keep in mind that each organism reacts in a unique way. This is a little obvious, but I tell you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know. Before you buy, you can actually test. Fluxactive has 60 days warranty days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Fluxactive Complete to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day, or else you will not see great results and you will actually have a little bit of frustration. You can see initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months of using this product. Also important for Fluxactive Complete has no side effects since it is natural. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Fluxactive Complete, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Don't forget to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anybody else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope that this video has helped you and me. I also hope that Fluxactive Complete really helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. You can visit its official website. If you have any questions, just send a message that I will reply. I hope I've cleared all your doubts about Fluxactive. Thank you.